Hi everyone, today I will do a small review, a 3-month review on the ceramic wax from Meguiars. I have completely coated this vehicle like 3 months ago and I have driven almost 3000 kilometers during these 3 months. And I have come across heavy rain conditions. Like today you can see it is very gloomy throughout these 3 months. I will show you how hydrophobic this product still can be. As you all can see, it is not so hydrophobic anymore. That's probably because of the rain. And if you want to reapply, you don't have to spray and pressure wash it. You just can simply spray and rinse it off, and it will stay there for another 3 months. But it guarantees 6 months, but due to these weather conditions, I can guarantee you 3 months of quality from this product. Thank you so much.